Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today is Saturday and we have decided to go out for grocery shopping. It's a nearby store called Rayway. It's near my house, so I got a lot of things which I need on daily basis. Also I got spaghetti because today I am going to make it. I got billing done and we went out. We're waiting for the red light to go green so that we can cross the road. And we're waiting and now it's green, so we'll just run. Yeah, and now I am home. I've chopped some onion and tomatoes, and I'm just roasting it nicely with a little garam masala and namak. And here I am boiling my spaghetti. You don't have to do much with it, just oil and a little salt. I kept some water and stained the rest of it, and whatever onion, tomatoes, and some garlic that I roasted, I am transferring it into the mixer. I'll grind it properly and make it a nice paste of it. I've made a lot of it. I'm gonna use only half of this for this spaghetti recipe. Rest I can use it as chutney. So whatever I got, the half amount I am again after adding the water I saved from the steamed spaghetti, I am adding it and I'm making it to boil. Then I'll add the spaghetti, and after boiling I'll just stir it and I'll just garnish it with little oregano, and it turns out to be really yum. It looks yum, I know, and it was tasty, and you guys can also try it. For more such content, please like, share and subscribe.